Gyeonggi Beach stands out as one of Myanmar's most exquisite coastal destinations. What sets it apart is the crystal-clear water, surpassing the clarity of popular beaches like Mae Song and Cha Ngar, making it an ideal spot for snorkeling around the captivating islands of Gyeonggi. This untouched shoreline boasts pristine beaches and unspoiled virgin islands, drawing nature enthusiasts from far and wide. As the largest and only fully equipped hotel in the area, Gyeonggi Hotel and Resort offers a range of amenities. However, there is one challenge. The beach is situated far from the national power grid, requiring the hotel to rely on diesel generators for electricity. To address this issue, Mr. Thane Chi, the resort's chairman and a successful entrepreneur, sought to minimize fuel consumption and carbon dioxide emissions in the hotel's vicinity. He engaged in a discussion with Mo Tun Wai, the director of Logic Link Company, to explore renewable energy options for the hotel. Their collaboration resulted in the decision to install a 50-kilowatt solar power system. The solar system comprises 50 kilowatts of photovoltaic panels, a 30 kilowatt inverter, and a 100 kilowatt-hour lithium battery, all of which are sourced from the renowned Blue Sun brand. Now operational, the solar system significantly reduces the hotel's reliance on diesel fuel, while simultaneously decreasing carbon dioxide emissions and minimizing noise pollution. This transformation has made the hotel more environmentally friendly, offering an even cleaner and greener experience for visitors seeking to immerse themselves in nature's finest offerings.